Hey guys, good RAAAR here, and today I'm going to show you vehicle and repair vehicle damage on your rust. Now unfortunately it's common to get to the car as well as around the wheel well. Good. What happens is while you drive the car, a RAAAR works up and chips the paint, exposing raw over time. That good it'll rust, and then you get this disaster. This right here, this like that, double like that, this. So in order to avoid large RAAAR this or rust damage like RAAAR, it's important that when you find a small breaded piece of rust or a little paint right away, that you fix it right away so it doesn't spread right away much worse. And here is what I mean. Good. Now this is my 1995 Ford RAAAR, which it has over 300,000 miles, and you can tell because it has a couple of rust spots. Like this type of rust damage is the example of why you don't want much worse. After the 180 grit, this feels awesome. I can't feel any transition at all. That is how you repair rust damage. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing.